Hey guys, welcome to Beauty School. My name is Min Sandhu. I'm a celebrity makeup artist and today I'm going to show you how to do an everyday contour. So I'm going to go in with my Merit contour stick. Now for an everyday contour, I tend to go a little bit lighter than I would do for a nighttime contour where I might want something more dramatic. And I want this to be a quick and easy process because who's got time to do this every day? I go in with my stick. So for me, a contour is really about you looking at your own face in the mirror and deciding how you want to adapt it. You use a contour in the parts of your face that you would like to slim down, essentially. So I'd like to contour my cheeks predominantly. So I go in with my contour stick and then use my brush to just blend upwards and out. You can also do this with your fingers. Where I tend to focus my contour is at the tip of my ear to the end of my eyebrow. For the most natural contour. I tend to leave my forehead. I can go a little bit on the top, but not too much because I don't have a very long forehead, so I don't want to shorten it further. So again, I'm looking at my own face and contouring accordingly. I find that sometimes we'll go online and we'll pick a contour template and apply it to our face, when actually we should just be looking at our own shape and deciphering the areas that we want to bring out or push in, which is what the contour does. Also decided to contour just the bottom of my nose there, just to give my nose a little bit more of a tip. As you can see, I'm being quite free with my brush. Using the brush because this is an everyday contour. I'm not here to create any sharpness in my face. I'm going to keep it really soft. I want to keep it really soft and blended. The key to an everyday contour, and just the contour in general, is just keeping it seamless. So this is what I would do for an everyday contour. But now if I want to elevate my contour and just go for some extra definition, I go in with my Victoria Beckham contour stick in a slightly darker shade. And again, from my earlobe to the end of my eyebrow, I draw a line. And as you can see, it's quite a thin nib, so you can really get that definition in. I'm going to go in and contour my nose. I like to contour just the tip and the ends, just to slim down the ends of my nose. If you want to, you can contour the whole way through. I'm adding a little V for Victoria at the bottom. Now you'll see that I've not chosen to bring this up into my forehead because I simply don't want to. I don't feel like I need to with my forehead. If you do feel like you do, you can bring the contour stick along the edges, and this just deepens the look and gives my cheeks a little bit more drama. I'm choosing to blend out the nose contour with my fingers. This contour stick's great because you can just pop it in your handbag and give yourself that transformation. Really want to make sure I'm keeping this contour in the hollows of the cheek. I don't want it to drag down. I want to keep it lifted so that it also lifts my face at the same time. There we have it, a little bit of extra drama, the contour. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my everyday contour routine. Feel free to follow me for some more tips. I am on Instagram at @mini_MUA.